Namaste, it's me Lokendra Sound, mathematics teacher, and today I have brought the topic factorization. This is the first exercise of algebra for grade 8, and this factorization will help to the student of grade 9 and even grade 10 also. But this is the video especially made for grade 8 students, and I want to start with the review that they have learned in previous class. Let's start with the review. Okay, see here. Number one, an algebraic expression is a mathematical statement formed by using four fundamental operations: plus, minus, okay, multiplication and division sign on constant with number zero, okay, number zero and variables, okay, that letters and symbols, okay, and examples 3x, okay, minus 7x, xy divided by 2. This is this slash divided, okay, divided by 2. 4ab plus 3 divided by c are the example of algebraic expressions. Okay, now second number, look, the algebraic expressions in which the power of each variable is whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., or a non-negative integer are called polynomials. Example 3xy, 4x plus 5y, 3x plus y minus 4z, etc. Okay, this is the definition of polynomials. In the polynomials, all the terms, all the variables must have what? Whole number power, and they must be positive also. That's why it is written on non-negative integer power, okay, to be the polynomial. This is taught already in lower classes, okay, you have learned in previous classes. And polynomial having only one term is called monomial, you know that one. And having two terms is called binomial, and having three terms is called trinomial, okay, trinomials you can tell. And you have learned this also, degree of the polynomials also is calculated by finding the degree of term, okay. The degree of the polynomial is found by calculating the degree of each term. The highest degree among all the terms will be the degree of the polynomial that you have already learned in previous class, okay. Whenever you find the degree, then you will find the degree of each term of the polynomial, and among them, which one is the highest degree, that is the degree of the given polynomial. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, here you learn about the factorization. This is your class one, okay. How to do the factorization, it is taught here. See here how to do the factorization, okay. First of all, in factorization, factors parts one, okay. Okay, factorization of algebraic this one expression having common in each term, okay. This is the first one. What I tell you, what I suggest you, whenever you factorize, okay, at that time, first of all, first method to factorize is to take common, okay. Don't forget this. Whenever you are going to factorize, please think about it. First step to factorize is to take common. Okay, that's what it is written here. First step here, factorization of algebraic expression, okay. Factorization of expression having a common in each term. What is the common means? Look again. If there is a common factor to each term of an algebraic expression, okay, that is one of the factor, and other can be obtained by dividing the expression by the common factor, and the expression is expressed as the product of common factors and the remaining factors. Look here, what is told here. Look, this there are two terms. This one of the algebraic expression AB plus BC. There are two terms, and if you are going to factorize, what is the same factor here and here? Look, here is also B, here is also B. That's why B should be taken common. Okay, and here is multiplication in front of the bracket. B take common. Then what is remaining here? A right here, plus right here, and what is remaining here? C right here. This B is one factor became, then A plus C remaining one is another factor became. There are two factors. Okay, this is one of the method to factorize the algebraic expression. This is the answer. Okay, the reason because B is a common factor of both the AB and BC. That's what B is taken common. Here also B also the same process. 6A square minus 9A. In 6A square and 9A, what is the same? Here is also 6 plus 3 to the 6. No, that 3 is the common. Here 3 is okay. That's why 3 is common here and here. And here is also A, here is also A, okay? That's why we have to take 3A common. And if 3A common go, then 3 to the 6, that's why 2 remaining, and right here 2. And A square means A already gone common, then 1A is still left there, right? A. And from here, A already common gone, then the A is not remaining here, okay? And we have to write here 3 only, okay? And here should be bracket. I will put it, I will correct it one, okay? This should be bracket. 2A minus 3 should be kept in one bracket, okay? This one, okay? And this will be 2A minus 3. This 3A is common, and 2A minus 3 is another remaining one, okay? Separate one. Right here, 3A is common factor of both A square and 9. That's why 3A is taken common. And now look here, C number, minus 2x cube minus 4x square plus 6x. And here's minus common also. You don't forget that in minus there is one plus and the minus, because minus into plus is minus. Here also minus into plus, but here is what? Minus into minus. In plus there are two minus. If one minus one common, look at in all there is 2x common. If you take 2x common here, here is left x square left, because there is x cube, no? And here I just told in minus there are one plus and the minus. That's why one minus common gone, then one plus left here. 2x, and here is minus 3, because 2 3 is 6, that's 3 is left here, 3 right here. Okay, and close the bracket. This is one factor, minus 2x one factor, and x squared plus 2x minus 3 is another factor. That is written because this is the symbol of because 2x is common factor of all three terms. Okay, now see the next one. Okay, here's also look. This is the common one. Look at here is one expression. Okay, this is 2a into x plus y and minus 3b into x plus y, and x plus y same factor. That's why x plus y is taken common. And what is remaining here? This remaining 2a, here is remaining minus 3b. When you take common xy, then write remaining in another bracket. It is done because xy is common. That's why we have to factor like this. Here also look, 2p minus q, p square plus pq minus q square plus p plus 2q into p square plus pq minus 2q minus q square. This is same factor, look here, which is same, that is taken common. Okay, this is common, p square plus pq minus q square, p square plus pq minus q square, that's right here. And other remaining one put in curly bracket here. And here from here remaining 2p minus q in bracket, and here plus sign, and here is remaining p plus 2q right here. Now open the bracket because there are like term, that's why 2p minus q plus p plus 2q it is, and here is right 2p plus p is 3p, and here is 2q minus q is here plus q. Okay, like this we have to factorize when there is common. Okay, taking common. And now go to this one, f number, look, a x minus y minus b x minus y plus 3 y minus x. Look, here's written this y minus x can be made, okay, x minus y, but what should be written minus sign here? Look, y minus x means minus common take, then x minus y should be in bracket, because when you multiply with minus sign here and here, then it will come y minus x. That's why to make this y minus x also x minus y, write x minus y, but here should be minus sign. Here is plus sign, that's why plus into minus minus. All look here, x minus y, x minus y, x minus y common, that's why x minus y take common. And what is remaining here? Here remaining a Here remaining minus b and here remaining minus 3 right in the bracket. Okay, this is the process to factorize by taking common. Let's move to another slide. And this is about what? Factorization by grouping. Grouping the terms having a common factor. Okay, grouping the terms having common factors. Okay, here look at, there are four terms: a square b plus 2ab minus ab minus 2b. Okay, how to group? Okay, look here, they may be in correct group also before, because there are four terms that will make two terms in one group, other two terms in another group. Look, how to know that? When you take common here ab, if you take ab common, what is left here? A is left here, because there are a square means a into a. AB common gone, then a left here, plus here AB already gone common, then 2 left here, plus 2. And here also, if you take minus 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 common, and b, here is also b common, and what is left here? Here is left a plus 2, here is just plus 2, right, and close the bracket. And here is a plus 2 same factor. If you take a plus 2 common, and what is left here? ab minus b, here is left ab, here is minus b. Okay, and still there is common here. Look, in front of b there is 1b. If you take b common, then what is left here? Here is left a minus 1 only. This is the method to factorize by grouping. And here also here 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6 terms. That's why we have to make there two terms in one group. Here's look, ax square minus bx square plus 2ax minus 2bx minus 4a plus 4b. They may be in correct group, as I told you. If you take common here x square, what is left here? A minus b. And here is also 2x common, here is also 2x common. Okay, 2x right here is a left and minus b left. And here is minus common, because in plus I told there are minus sign, minus two minus sign here. If one minus common gone, then one minus remain here. 4 is common, then a minus b. They are in correct group, because look here in remaining in the bracket is a minus b, here also remaining in the bracket is a minus b, here also a minus b. If this remaining in the bracket is same, that we should understand that they are already in correct group. Now a minus b, a minus b, a minus b common, take a minus b, and here left x square, here left 2x, and here left minus 4. They should be kept in separate bracket. Okay, like this we have here two factors. Okay, this is the method to factorize by grouping. See here question number C. C into a square minus b square plus a into b square minus c square. Okay, if the questions are given in bracket, they are not in correct group, because look, as I told you, inside this bracket here a square minus b square, here b square minus c square, they are not same. If they are same, they are in correct group, but they are not same, that means they are not correct. That's why remove the bracket. Okay, write question here again and write, okay, here is no space, that's I have written in right side. Open the bracket, c a into a square, ca square, and c into minus b square minus cb square, plus a into b square plus ab square, and plus into minus minus, and write here a into c square ac square. Okay, now shuffle the term. Okay, this one we have to change the place. The c square only. Now we are keeping the second term in last one. Okay, put the second in last and check whether they are in correct group or not. Look, ca square ab square, a common, then what is left here? CA, because one A is already common gone, A is left here, because A into A is square, no? Then plus, here is B square left, because A is already common. And minus here, minus sign common. And C is common here and here, C common take. Then C is from C square, C is left, and A left. CA left here. Minus was there, I told in minus there are plus and minus sign. Minus common gone, then one plus left here. Because in this minus sign, there is plus into minus sign, okay? One minus common gone, then here is one plus left. Okay, then here will be b square. Now look at this remaining in the bracket and this remaining in the bracket are same. That means we have, made the correct group. This bracket remaining and this bracket remaining must be same to make the correct group. Now these two terms are common. Ca plus b square, take common ca plus b square, and what is left here? A, here is minus c, right? A minus c in the bracket. This is the answer. Like this you have to solve by grouping. Okay, while grouping we have to group in such a way that I told, if you take the common, is remaining in the bracket must be same. Okay, this is the process to group. Let's move to the another slide. If you practice, then you will learn it. Okay, as I told you, practice makes student perfect. Have a wonderful day. Okay, thank you. And here's given some of the questions for practice. Okay, this is the questions for practice. And please look this all question one number look A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, I have given the question up to F. You have to practice this 2, 4, 6 question. Okay, a similar questions given that I have given an example. Okay, please practice this. Okay, once again, thank you. And there was missed one bracket. Let's see there. Okay. Okay, here was look. Okay, we can put a bracket. Save it. User bracket is very important. Once again, thank you. Don't forget to practice. Okay. Practice is the main key to understand the questions in mathematics. Okay.